What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video we are doing something that's a long time coming. We are going to be lowering our Maverick and installing a new set of wheels. Before we get started with today's video, we want to give a massive shout out to 1552 for hooking us up with this awesome set of wheels. Now let's go ahead and hop right into the video and let's get these bad boys unboxed. So here we are unboxing our brand new wheels. We've got a set of 1552 Holeshot RSR wheels, 19x9 plus 45 offset in Magnesium Gray. So we have this one left to unbox. We want to take you along with us. We're going to start just by cutting the tape. One thing I really like about this, since it is from the RSR line, it does have different packaging. The RSR line by 1552 is their flow form wheels, so we have a little bit of added strength and durability, and they're also a little bit lighter than their cast wheel counterparts. I don't know about you guys, but unboxing wheels, always the most fun part. We've got some nice protective packaging here. We got some lip protectors on both the top and bottom, which is always nice. We all know absolutely anything can happen during shipping, so remove the sock. And there we go. The Magnesium Gray is going to look awesome on the hot pepper red. As you can see, it is a gray finish, but it does have a little bit of a bronze hue to it. Really excited to see what these look like out in the sun. But yeah, other than that, just awesome looking wheel. 19x9, pretty lightweight considering the size. And also another cool feature, it does have some knurled bead seats. So it's another awesome wheel from 1552. Can't wait to see what these look like mounted on the truck.
Along with the new wheels and tires, we also installed a set of H&R Super Sport lowering springs. We've covered these lowering springs and did an install video on them a while back, so if you haven't checked that out, you can do so using the link in the description below. With the Maverick having the oddball 5x108 bolt pattern, wheel choices are limited. With our years of work in the EcoBoost realm and cars that utilize the same 5x108 bolt pattern, we knew exactly who to turn to: 1552. 1552 has a plethora of wheel options in the Maverick's bolt pattern, ranging from 17s all the way up to 19s in an ideal spec for flush fitment on your Maverick. 1552 became a staple in the ST and RS community after Ken Block debuted his Rally Prep Ford Fiesta rocking a set of 1552 Tarmacs in the Gymkhana series, and the rest is history. 1552 became an instant favorite within the community, and they responded by offering multiple wheels in 5x108 fitment. These fitments translate perfectly to the Maverick. If you're looking for a quality wheel with motorsports inspired designs, you really should be looking at 1552. We carry 1552 wheels here at Panda Motorworks, so if you're interested in picking up a set for your Maverick, or any other vehicle for that matter, just let us know and we can get you set up.
All right, guys, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. We absolutely love the look of our brand new 1552 Holeshot RSRs in Magnesium Gray. If you guys did too, make sure you like this video. If you guys have any suggestions of what you think might look better, let us know in the comments below. And if you guys want to follow along for more awesome Maverick content just like this video, make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.